What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Rails of Mass. At the time of recording, it's Friday, July 10th, 2026 at 9:32 in the AM. This morning, we once again find ourselves here at the MBTA Readville layover yard. With morning rush hour now over, the yard is once again packed with sets. So let's dive right in and check out what we have today.
Okay, here we go. Rocket 3646.
It appears this weekend's Cape Flyer set will once again have 1033 and 1071. No shortage of HSPs here today, but thankfully one of those didn't end up on the flyer.
Step 6206. Ready. Here, Flight. Blue, take the Carmen off track 10, please.
I always appreciate it when I get to see GP40MC number 1129 on the south side. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's update. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.